indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous.
Here we go. This is from mobile. Perry County. I knew they were in the listening area. New from New Orleans.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern George County and southeastern Mississippi, southern Wayne County and southeastern Mississippi, Greene County and southeastern Mississippi, Perry County and southeastern Mississippi, northern Stone County and southeastern Mississippi, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Richton to near Beaumont to 8 miles east of Maxey to 10 miles west of Wiggins, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per
70
hour.
miles an hour, wow.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wiggins, Lucedale, Richton, Leakesville, Beaumont, New Augusta, State Line, MCLAIN, Buckatown,
HWO.
Clara. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Greene, Perry, and Wayne.
Funnel cloud, wow. There's going to be a tornado warning, I just know it.